understanding the organization of the human body. Today we will explore the human body's organization, a foundational anatomy topic essential for nursing and medical assisting practice. This knowledge will help you understand the body's structure and function, which is crucial for assessing patients and planning care effectively.
Our objectives today are to understand the levels of organization in the human body, familiarize ourselves with anatomical terminology and body planes, identify the major organ systems and their functions, connect this knowledge to clinical practice. By the end of this presentation, you'll clearly understand how the human body is organized and how it functions as a whole. The human body is organized into 6 levels. At the chemical level, we have atoms and molecules that form the building blocks of life. Moving to the cellular level, cells are specialized to perform unique tasks. Groups of cells form tissues, which then combine to create organs. Organs work together in systems, and these systems make up the organism, the human body itself. This hierarchy is important for understanding how the body operates as a unit. To accurately describe the body, we use standardized anatomical terminology. For example, we describe structures relative to one another using terms like superior, meaning above, and inferior, meaning below. We also use terms like medial and lateral to describe positions closer to or farther from the midline. Understanding these terms will help you communicate effectively with colleagues in clinical settings. Body planes divide the body into sections, which is especially helpful for imaging and understanding anatomy. For example, the sagittal plane divides the body into left and right parts, while the transverse plane divides it into upper and lower parts. Understanding these planes helps us interpret imaging studies like MRIs and CT scans, which are vital tools in healthcare. The body contains cavities that house and protect organs. The dorsal cavity includes the cranial and spinal cavities, while the ventral cavity includes the thoracic and abdominopelvic cavities. Knowing the location of these cavities and their contents is essential for assessing injuries or diseases and performing clinical tasks like palpation and auscultation. Homeostasis refers to the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment, even when external conditions change. For example, sweating helps cool your body when you're hot, while shivering generates heat when you're cold. Understanding these processes will help you assess and address disruptions in a patient's body systems. Understanding the organization of the human body is essential for clinical practice. For example, when a patient presents with chest pain, you'll use anatomical terminology to describe the location, consider which organ systems might be involved, and communicate these findings to the healthcare team. This knowledge underpins your ability to provide effective and accurate care. Now, let's apply what we've learned with a case study. Imagine a patient presenting with chest pain. Think about the anatomical terms you'd use to describe the location of the pain and which organ systems might be involved. How would this information guide your initial assessment and care plan? Take a moment to discuss this with your peers.
To recap, the human body is organized into levels that build upon one another. Anatomical terminology and understanding body planes and organ systems are essential for clear communication and effective patient care. Remember that maintaining homeostasis is a key concept as it ensures the body's systems function properly. These principles are foundational for your clinical practice.
Thank you for your attention. Please continue to the next presentation, titled Chemistry in Anatomy. For further reading, I recommend Human Anatomy and Physiology by Merib and Hone, which provides an in-depth look at these topics. Additionally, InnerBody.com is a great online resource for interactive anatomy tools. These resources will reinforce what we've discussed today.